How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 65 GTO LeMans done in Montero Red, a black vinyl top. It's all base coat, clear coat. Super cool little car. It's got the ram air hood. Front bumper's all been re-chromed. It's original grills and headlight bezels in excellent condition. Car's real straight down the sides. Got a nice set of Rev Classics on it. Brand new Cooper Cobra tires. Car was restored a few years back. It's all new taillight bezels. The rear appliques all been re-chromed. Rear bumper was re-chromed. So these 65 GTOs are just super cool cars. Been updated with disc brakes up front. And it's got a 400 4-barrel Edelbrock intake and carb. It's got the ram air cleaner. It's power disc brakes, power steering. Got an M21 Muncie 4-speed. It's got the 10-bolt limited slip rear with 355 gears, rear sway bar, box control arms. Interior's all in real good condition. Got the factory in dash tach. Headliner's all real nice and tight. All the seats have been redone. Been updated with front seat belts. Trunk's real nice. Got the spare tire and jack. Trunk floor, everything's mostly original body panels on the car. Got the original shifter with the wood knob. It's got a trio of gauges under the dash. Again, it's got a 400 4-speed. Blow the horn. Sounds really good out the back. Nice duals all the way out. Good running 400 in it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.